Deliverable 7 Video 2. The displayed images are intended for the U.S. website and the India website for the organization. These images are visually appealing to the target audiences. The visuals help to eliminate racial prejudice. Cultural familiarity. According to Paul Lester, cultural codes are cultural interpretations of what we see that each person learns from birth. We are barely aware that we have been taught these interpretations and codes. When looking at the two pictures, it is clear that each picture holds cultural familiarity for each country. In America, we are familiar with many different races, whereas in India there is not a mixture of races and all children are mainly Indian. The clothes are also culturally familiar to both countries. In the American picture, the kids are wearing jeans, shirts, and tennis shoes. In the India picture, the kids are wearing sandals, and not one kid is wearing jeans. Semiotics. Lester states that semiotics are the study of how we give meanings to words and signs. There are 4 types: metonymic, analogical, displaced, and condensed. The main semiotic code being displayed here is the analogical code. Paul Lester states that analogical code is a group of signs that cause the viewer to make mental comparisons. When I see the American picture, I compare it to my school days growing up. There were many different races and it was normal to us. When Indians look at the Indian picture, they will compare it to their own lives and how it looks similar to how they grew up, with just one race being what was in the normal. Emotional appeal. There are 3 different cognitive elements to demonstrate emotional appeal. Paul Lester states that memory is arguably the most important mental activity involved in accurate visual perception. The American picture sparks a memory where we remember how things were when we were growing up in elementary school. The India picture will do the same, but for the Indian viewers of the website. This also has to do with personal experiences. We experienced this setting when we were going to school as school-aged children. Expectations are another cognitive element. According to Lester, having preconceived expectations about how a scene should appear often leads to false or missed visual perceptions. It is important to keep an open mind when looking for images for a website. There are many great options, and the right one may take a while to find. Thank you.